ओके चलो, सेंड रिक्वेस्ट. अरे निशु आइंस 24 हेयर स्टाइल चेंज किया क्या आपने? नहीं, हेयर स्टाइल चेंज नहीं किया है, बस मतलब सेट नहीं किया है. इट्स जस्ट मेसी. आई हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग टू माय हेयर. इट्स जस्ट द वे इट इज. पता नहीं क्या हो गया, वियर्ड है. लेकिन नीचे डाल दो क्या? आई डोंट नो, आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड. हेयर स्टाइल चेंज नहीं किया, सेम है, बस मतलब थोड़ा मेसी है. आई डोंट नो किसने ज्वाइन किया एंड दे लेफ्ट आल्सो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द सीन. Let's see who else we can add. Uh, I can see you guys are loving the falsetto in the mixtape. Okay, we have someone live. Hi. I think network issues हैं. Hello. Okay, they're frozen. Ravani underscore Saurav, your voice आप, oh my god, fire. आपका आवाज सुनने के लिए सब कुछ छोड़ सकते हैं. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Who do I take live? Hello.
Hello, namaste.
Hi.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hi, what's your name?
My name
I'm sorry.
Om.
Okay. Yeah, I think I can see your username. AORM.
Yes. Om. Yes.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
You're from Thailand. Wow.
I'm so
Awesome.
healthy.
So you've been
I
listening to
am.
my music?
Yes, I listen to your music, and I like to listen Hindi song too.
You like my Hindi songs as well. Wow. Which song do you like of mine? Have you heard my English songs?
Yes, I like Japta,
Oh, you like Jab Tak?
and I
Wow.
can sing a little bit too.
You want to sing something for me?
Sure, but my accent in Hindi is not good.
That's
I
fine.
will
That's
try.
fine. I mean, anything is fine.
Okay, so I will sing now. Can I?
Okay. Okay.
So excited. Okay. जब तक तुझे प्यार से हो मैं चैन रूहा मेरे पास तुम रहो जाने की बात न करो मेरी सांस तुम रहो जाने की बात न करो.
Yay! That was so adorable. That was actually good. I'm so glad that you can sing that much in Hindi.
Thank you.
So can you teach me something in Thai? I would love to.
Okay.
What should I say?
Uh,
How do I say? Hi, lots of love.
um, you can say Sawadee.
Sawadi.
Yes, Sawadee is mean hi.
Okay. And what is I think I've heard of Sawadika, right?
Yes, Sawadee Kap. Yes.
Sawadika.
And then you can say Rak Tukon.
What is that?
Rak,
Rak.
yes, is mean love.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm learning something new today. Well, thank you for joining in. I'm so glad we could have you on the live.
Me too. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
And I
So,
hope I can
Samya,
come. I hope I can come to Thailand. I've always wanted to perform there, so hopefully, if I come there, I will definitely see you.
sure, sure. You can come to visit here one day.
Okay, take care.
Can we screenshot?
Bye. Wow, that was so sweet. I mean, I just love how fans from across the world listen to my music and even the Hindi stuff. Um, it's unbelievable. Thank you guys for so much love. I love you guys. Love you guys so much. Today is actually I would like to celebrate you guys because y'all have like reached this milestone, not me. It's you guys. It's 10 million Armanians. Uh, this is a celebration for you, every one of you. Petition to do milli step after this live. Okay, I will try. I remember doing this back in the day when like anytime I used to like hit a million, um, a new million, I think I used to do the milli step, which was something like this. Now that I look back at it, it seems kind of like very corny, but cute. Eh? Armal's aficionado. Did you see our DPs? Which DP? Okay, yeah, I can see that. I can see like that yellow Control T wala display. That's awesome. I love you guys, man. You guys are amazing. कभी भी मुझे मतलब whenever I feel low and I see your comments and your tweets and stuff like that, it just makes me feel so much better. I love all of you so much. Um, should we take another fan? Okay, taking another person live and then we will end this so I can go have dinner. बचपन का प्यार गाओ मत ने प्लीज वो छोड़ दो वो गाना प्लीज इट्स द मोस्ट इरिटेटिंग सॉन्ग नाउ आई मीन आई लाइक हाउ द किड sang इट्स क्यूट अडोरेबल बट अभी बहुत ज्यादा उसको खींच लिया how can we see the video of Arman Malik live which you've done in June? I will post a few videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, I added someone, but I don't think they have accepted it. किसी और को ऐड करेंगे हम अभी. Okay. Mommy is asking what are you going to eat for dinner. I also don't know. Sid. Um, to be honest, I'm going to go and figure out what's for dinner. My mom must have cooked up something. Lots of love to your mom, bro. Um, Abhi, who should I take? इतने हैवी सवाल आ रहे. When will you get married? ये अभी का मतलब क्वेश्चन नहीं है. उसको टाइम है थोड़ा सा. You are my बचपन का प्यार. Okay, cool. Who do I take? Wait. Hmm.
Oh my god! I can't believe it! Oh my god! This has
Hi.
become true! Hi! I can't believe it! Oh god! Oh my god! I was praying inside! I was praying that I get into a video call with you! Oh my god, I'm shaking! Oh. I'm
What's your
shaking.
name?
Oh, okay. My name is Divpreet and I'm
Okay.
from Delhi. And
Oh,
I just love your voice. Like, I can't believe it. Uh, Recently, I saw one of your podcasts with Ranveer.
yeah.
And yeah, I was very much inspired by you. And I can't believe it that I'm on a video call with you. I can't believe it. It's
So
shaking.
sweet.
I'm just shaking. Oh my god. I just want you to sing one of your songs for me.
Oh, okay. I kind of told my fans I won't sing on this live, but I think you're requesting itne sweetly, so I will sing a few lines. Which is your favorite song of
Yeah.
mine?
Yeah, anyone from any of your songs. I'm just not able to comprehend that I'm talking to you right now. I
Okay.
would love, yeah, any of your
Uh,
slow songs. Yeah, any slow song.
I'll.
Love
Okay, cool.
song.
Um, इतनी मोहब्बत करो ना, मैं डूब न जाऊं कहीं, वापस किनारे पे आना, मैं भूल न जाऊं कहीं, देखा जब से चेहरा तेरा, मैं तो हफ्तों से सोया नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं.
So much.
I think she's hung.
Music literally heals me. Music literally heals me, and I am just glad you
Hi, can
sang
you
for
see
me.
me? I think you're frozen. Wait. Yeah, I can see you now. Yeah. Sorry, I lost you there.
Yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't hear what you were saying.
I said music just heals me. Music heals my soul, and it's like something I've been feeling from my childhood up till now. It holds a very big part of my life. Like, and I'm glad I could connect to you. I connected to you a lot when I heard you on a podcast with Ranveer, and from then on I've been following you like everywhere, and it's a dream come true to talk to you.
I'm so
Thank you
glad. I'm
so
so
much.
glad that you heard a podcast and understood a little bit about me,
Yeah,
and that led you here. So that's really sweet. Thank you so much.
yeah. Thank you
Okay.
so much for
Bye.
accepting
Take
it.
care. Lots of
Bye.
love. Bye.
Thank you.
So well, yeah, that was a fan from Delhi. Quite excited. It's amazing to talk to you guys all across India, all across the world. I mean, I think we uh, went to Thailand, then we went to Delhi, we were in Ujjain. It's beautiful to see so much love all over. Thank you guys. I'm gonna end this live. Um, I know it's you. You guys don't want me to ever end these lives. Even I don't want to end these lives because it makes me feel better. It makes me feel happier whenever I talk to you guys. So yeah, we're gonna do more of these. I hope. I mean, I'm gonna try to do more of these. लेकिन जाने से पहले I just want to say that I love you guys and what you guys do for me, the stuff that you keep sending. I saw a bunch of videos where you all were feeding underprivileged children on my birthday, and such beautiful things online you guys have been doing. I know I haven't like responded to anyone properly on my birthday, but just know that I love you guys so much, and I see everything, and I appreciate all the love you guys send my way. 10 million Armenians. I can't believe it. Huge number. Many more millions to go. But yeah, we're together as a family, and I'm so glad that I have you guys by my side. Lots of love. Love you guys. Have a good night. Bye.